Schoology now has the ability to add video and audio recordings directly inside the Schoology Assessment Creator. To do so, you will click Create Your Question. From the question setup, click inside the box and go over and click on the Tools icon. To record audio, you will simply make sure that you have selected the audio player. Click on Record Audio. You will need to allow Schoology to access your microphone. You will click the microphone icon to start recording. This is just a test of the Schoology Assessment Recording feature. Click Finish. You can play it back. This is just a test of the Schoology Assessment Recording feature. Click OK. You can choose the player style and then select OK. You would then click Save to save your question. You can also record each answer choice individually by clicking on the answer, clicking the audio recorder, and following the same steps you followed before. Click Record Audio, click to begin recording. This is a test of the audio answer recorder. Click Finish. Click OK. Click OK again, and you will see the audio player show up under the answer choice. To add a video recording, create the question, click on Question Setup, click on the Tools icon again, click on Video Player, click on Record Video. You will press Record to start. It will ask you to access your camera. And then you will begin recording. You can play it back. And then you will begin recording. Scroll down, click OK. Select OK again to add the video, and the video player should show up in the question setup. To see what this would look like from a student perspective, simply click Preview Question, and you'll be able to see your video or audio recording. Make sure to hit Save to save your question.